This is the Aurora Collection. It's made up of easy-to-build, no-cut block projects, including a fire pit, sitting wall, table, and serving bar. All of these projects are sold separately and can be used as standalone projects or combined together to create your perfect backyard space. Each of these projects can be built without cutting a single block, making them the perfect DIY project. It's simple. Just prepare and level the foundation per the instructions, or start on a stable and level patio. Then follow the detailed layer-by-layer instructions to stack and glue each layer of block to complete the project. Let's take a closer look at each project. First, the Aurora Serving Bar. This simple serving bar is perfect for a small backyard. The thin profile and bar top height makes it great for standing around with a group of family and friends. Place it up against a fence or leave ample room around each side, like we did here, to make the most of your backyard space. Need a table to sit around? The Aurora Pub Table is the perfect addition. Just over 3 feet tall and having a 30 by 30 inch top, the table will add even more usable serving space to your backyard. If you're looking to add a fire feature for the cozy backyard retreat, the Aurora Fire Pit is a great option. The square fire pit has the same design elements as the rest of the collection and is great for gathering around on a cool night. The Aurora Sitting Wall is a versatile piece that can be added next to a fireplace, on the edge of a patio, or around a flower garden. It helps define and finish off a space while providing ample seating to enjoy your great outdoors. Learn more about all of our no-cut block projects and patio options at menards.com/blockstore.